guys, bless up yourself. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I didn't get up late. I was up all night. I was trying to get a video, finish editing and getting it uploaded for this morning. But unfortunately, that didn't happen on time. And that kind of fell in the bracket where I had to go out and shoot another video. So I'm kind of running behind time today. I didn't expect that, but stay tuned, guys. But I'm not going nowhere too far because I have another video to shoot at 9 o'clock, guys. So it's like the video shooting is just constant, back to back to back to back. It's just not stopping. Linking up with a couple of YouTubers, Garth Adventures, Roxanne is Rockin', Chef Life later. We're shooting at 9 o'clock in the morning. We're shooting another video this morning, guys. So I'm out trying to shoot a video in between that, so that when I can get back to the house, then we can start gearing up and getting that stuff together. But stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get on this water real quick. I'm gonna see if I can get at least an hour in and just mash it up. So stay tuned. One love, Jamaican shore fishing. Early morning hunting this morning. I'm not using a wire lead this morning. Basically what's happening is I didn't feel like going all the way to Freeport this morning, so what I basically did was stop down at the Fisherman beach that was close by. I'm not going to be doing wade fishing. I'm watching weather. We have an unpredicted weather today. It's been raining here the last couple of days pretty bad. So along this stretch of beach right here, guys, I can probably pick up a jack or maybe a barra or maybe a snook. Who knows? I don't know. So I'm basically going to walk this beach. I'm gonna work this beach right here, even though I don't like doing it because all the garbage wash out this gutter down here. But I'm gonna walk this beach going that way and see if I could pick anything up. If anything, I'm gonna go back to the rocks right there, guys. But I'm gonna work this area straight down and walk my way down. I see the bait fish moving out there, guys. I see bait fish moving. Somebody's feeding. That's what's up, guys. I see that, guys. You see that? Bait fish jumping out here. That's good. That's good for me. That's very good for me, guys. That means, yes, guys. I want to drop down there. Which direction are they moving to? That's the question. I don't want to get into this water, that's for sure. Trying to get as much out there as I can, guys. I would normally use steel line or braided line. Oh yeah, the bait fish school's moving to the left. They're going that way, and they're moving pretty fast. They're not moving slow. Something's chasing them. See, they're moving pretty quick, guys. So I got to move pretty quick with them. So I'm hunting most likely tarpon, snooks, those kind of fish that will probably be around them. Jacks, barracudas. They all feed on them. There's a lot of seaweed right here. I really don't want to get hitched up or even touch that stuff. Mosquitoes back here, stupid, boy. They're big. They're hitting. I'm just glad. I'm sorry I didn't wear my long sleeve. So we're gonna move down a bit further. The bait's moving fast. I want to get along those structures, the bamboos and stuff. And there's some wild dogs down here, man. I gotta be careful. I don't like dog attacks, that's for sure. Can't handle that today. No, not at all today, guys. Lovely, lovely place. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Got him. Haha. Had a barra this morning. Jamaican shore fishing. I knew he was here. What did I tell you, guys? What did I tell you? That is it. He's hooked pretty good too. He got it. I knew it. Let me get him off. Yeah, we're gonna give this to the guys down there on the end. We're just gonna string him up. We're not gonna let him go. Let me get this hook so he don't hook me. He got hooked pretty good. Alright, let's get my lip grip tool so I can control this fish a little bit better. So, and now I can work a little bit more neat, guys, because that hook went down pretty deep in his throat, so I have to take my time and get in there and get that pliers on the hook and unhook the hook the other direction. We got a lot of homeless guys that live out here. I can give it to one of them. They'll be all right. They'll appreciate it. Trust me, they will. Let me rest you up here a bit. Don't give me no trouble. Yeah, perfect opportunity to catch something decent here. I wonder if I went top water lure, I'd create some action. I'll get their attention even more. That did it. Perfect timing, guys. We actually came out real quick and caught a little barracuda, and that wasn't that bad. Feel stress relieving, to be honest with you, because I was stressed out about a video. And I came out and I said, you know what, just get out, throw some line like how you normally would, Jay. Bring your camera and see if you can pick something up real quick for the peeps and get out there, guys. I'm out here, guys, and I wouldn't be out here without you guys. So thank you guys, and I appreciate all you guys for everything that you guys have done. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Thank everyone for the birthday wishes. Appreciate you guys. Definitely thank you guys. But what I don't want to do is get hitched on any tree stumps or anything like that, because I'm not going in that water. I seen something run from here a while ago and I'm wondering why it ran. But oh guys, look at that tarpon. Tarpon, guys. That's a tarpon. That's a tarpon, guys. That's a big tarpon. Guys, I just seen him. I want him to hit this lure. Come on, baby boy. They don't like nothing moving fast. Throwing a bigger lure on this. He's here feeding, guys. Change out this lure. This lure is kind of small for a tarpon, but I heard that. That was a big smack. Let's get a bigger lure on here, guys. That was a tarpon. He jumped out of that water pretty hard. Alright, that ain't giving me no vibe. I haven't seen him come back up. He's hanging around that tree stump there someplace, guys. Let's try to get over there to him. I've seen him. Big guy. Big guy, people. Big guys. I just seen his fin out there a while ago. He's cruising right between there, guys. The tarpon, guys. Huge! I knew they came over here. Oh shit, I'm gonna get hitched up. Oh man. I don't want them to spot me, that's for sure. But they're sharp. Right there. Boom, perfect. Son of a gun, I gotta retie, guys. Let's get back down to my reel down there. We get a top water lure on there real quick, guys. I gotta get a leader line tied up and stuff, which really sucks right now because the fish is moving around and feeding, and we end up losing time. So without further ado, I gotta cut this line, refix, restring back up real quick, get it back up, hooked up, and get out there again, guys. And this is the thing what I'm talking about, guys. When you come out, you got to come out prepared for it. The worst of the worst to happen. So, and this is one of them. While the fish is biting, you're down trying to tie up a line, which sucks. He's swimming around there. Big ass tarpon, boy. I knew they came over here because I was looking for him from the other side from the other day and I haven't seen him. So with that said and done, make sure your guide eyes are good too, guys. Everything's strung the proper way, not supposed to. Your line's not. Nylon is one of the worst things to work with sometimes when you're outside, especially if it's windy. You gotta be extremely careful, guys, because end up knotting everything up and then having to especially the flex on the rod sometimes throws you off. Make sure you got that thing through the guide eye properly. Just seen that frigger right out there, guys. He was cruising right by there a while ago. He's cruising right there. I don't know where he was going. Yeah, nothing here, guys. Let's see what's up, guys. We're gonna leave our tool right there and keep an eye on it. Seen a big fish move a while ago. Nothing like that. Catch and release, guys. I hate when that happens. I don't know why that happens to me. Nothing, guys. I don't like fishing in here anyways. This is the type of water that you don't want to touch anyways, guys. Whatever stuff that's coming from up there, guys, that's a no-no. The river comes out into the ocean here and it's all polluted, guys, in certain ways. So I try my best not to indulge in here too much into this spot. The water has this awkward smell to it that I don't like, and it's crazy. If I get hit by a fish over there, I'm in trouble. I doubt I'm going to get hit here. The top water lure. We'll change this lure off though. Drop back the Yazuri on here and then walk the beach going down again and seeing if we can pick something up. If we don't pick anything up on lure, I'm going to change this top water lure off and go to a twitch lure. This thing sets me up for a bigger fish. So yeah, let's give these guys a fish. Want breakfast?
Yeah, lovely.
Have breakfast on me, bro.
Yeah, respect, yeah?
Alright, no problem.
Right, okay?
Cool, yeah.
See you next time, okay?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Welcome to the channel, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Make sure you watch the ads. Support the channel, guys. Try to support Jamaican shore fishing right now, guys. The reason why I'm scared of this twitch bait here because there's a lot of debris here, and if I get a hitch, I'm going to lose it. I'm not going in that water. This is one place where I'm not going in the water, guys, because of that river behind me. There you go, bad boy. I've been looking for you. Come on. Come back. I know you probably went to Freeport. That's where you probably cruised off to. Or in that harbor over there. But to cross that water, boy, is another thing. Here, shore fishing, this is crazy. I'm not going to leave my tool now. And get it and walk down a bit. Fish right here a little bit too. Alright guys, we're going to walk down. Work this beach. We're walking down. Oh, you son of a bitch. There's Jamaican shore fishing. The bait fish is here. So the bigger fish will come in and feed right here, guys. And that's what I'm just hoping to just bump into one of them when they just make that right hit. I was aiming to get that tarpon fight this morning, but that's not happening. Alright, let's walk. Let's walk, guys. We got ourselves a little barrel. Oh, get my boy down there for lunch. Yeah, guys. We'll give homie a barrel for lunch and shit. See if we see these fellas up here, right here on the right. And we're just going to give them a little fish for their breakfast. And they'll have a good morning, and I had a great morning. This is what's up, guys, on the Fisherman beach down in Montego Bay, Jamaica, guys. That's what's up. So we're going to give these guys a fish up here, guys. Yeah, let's give these guys a fish. Want breakfast?
Yeah, lovely.
Have breakfast on me, bro.
Yeah, Yeah, respect, yeah?
All right, no problem.
Alright, okay?
Cool. Yeah.
See you next time, okay?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
After you. There you are. We're gonna go around to the other side, guys. We're gonna walk down through the Fisherman beach and go around to the other side. My car is parked up here, but we're gonna walk down that side. Still got time. We'll walk those rocks real quick and see if I can get up here and get something in that little harbor. So we just walked in the Fisherman beach, guys. Seaweed's been washing up, it looks like. I don't want to throw in here, guys, because I don't want to hook my lure on the mooring hook. So this is our Montego Bay Fisherman's beach, guys. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, okay. Morning, morning. Morning, guys. Morning. Hey, guys. So, I know. You're just fishing. So you don't want to throw anything here, guys. Yeah, guys, this is our local Fisherman beach, guys. This is where all the boats that fish and serve the community pretty much catch and sell fish. Morning, morning, brother. Hold on, man. Catch and sell fish, guys. Yeah. So I'm just walking these rocks. These are places where we used to fish when we was kids here at Montego Bay. So growing up with my cousin Lance and Taryn, we used to come out fishing all the time, adventures, shooting birds, all over the damn place, guys. And it was crazy. So here, guys. So let's try our luck right here, guys. See what we can pick up. Jamaican shore fishing. I've caught a jackfish here before. I can never say I never caught anything. I just caught the barrow down there just now, but I'm saying that I've never caught a significant size fish here yet. I've never hooked onto one here yet, where I've said I can say, all right, well, I've caught something decent down at Fisherman Beach. And I'm saying I know Skilly has caught a 20-pound snook down here, boy. Grandfather snook. That's what we called it. You know what I'm saying, guys? So, pick up yourselves, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Appreciate all you guys. Appreciate the support all the time. Appreciate the thumbs up, hearts, and the love. Come on, bless up yourselves, guys. Appreciate you guys. So, mosquitoes back here are friggin' crazy, man. I'd be extremely careful right there, guys. Bring that all the way up on the top right here, because there's some damn rocks here that I don't want to get hitched up on. Yeah, guys, so I want to call a spade, give it a shot. Let's go down further on the rocks, guys. See if I can pick anything up. But what I hate is these mosquitoes, guys. I'm getting pellet by the mosquitoes. They're kicking my ass, guys. Mosquitoes are beating my ass right now. And this water that's laying around that they're breeding up in is no good either, because it's dirty. And that's where the problem's at, guys. I don't want to get hit with malaria or something like that, or dengue or some shit like that, guys. That's crazy. People probably think I'm crazy talking to myself right now, but someone wouldn't even understand that I have a camera on my head. Nothing. No chase there. Just navigating these rocks carefully, guys, because I can't afford to fall right now. Alright, after this next 2 casts, guys, I'm going to call it quits and head home, as I have other engagements, as I said this morning. And we'll link up with Roxanna's Rockin' and Gart Adventures, and we'll shoot a video today, guys, at around 9 o'clock. So it's already hitting on almost 8 o'clock already, guys. So I don't want to stay out too late and be out too long and end up being late for what I have to do. Alright, guys, so stay tuned for that. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Thank all you guys for joining the channel. I know they probably have a whole bunch of music over there on the other side, but whatchamacallit, not feeling this water right now, guys. So not even that, it's just the mosquitoes too is bothering me, and I don't want to touch my lure and touch this water and then touch my face. That's another thing. Last thing you want to do is fall on that. Cool, man. Yes, sir. Walk inland no more. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, guys, and watch the ads, guys. This was what this was our morning session, guys. Quick morning session. Was out there, walk the beach real quick, see what we can pick up. That's what we got. It is what it is. Got a small barrel. Gave somebody a free breakfast this morning. He was well happy about it, and that was that. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the next epic adventure, guys. We're about to get this next filming on. About to head up, charge these batteries up, and get busy. We are out here, guys. Out.